Hi, I'm Anu Parikh with Pangea Charging. No, that's not a mirage behind you, it really is Las Vegas, where I just finished attending and speaking at the National Multifamily Housing Council's OPTECH conference. Super rich in content and learnings, with the key takeaway being that EV charging is definitely a hot topic amongst multifamily players. In fact, I just learned that EV charging provider Zeal Energy is doubling down on the multifamily market with a $40 million Series B round. If you're still having a conversation of whether to install stations now or later, I'd say you're playing a game of roulette where the odds favor now. So if you're looking to win and end up in Treasure Island, I would suggest installing sooner than later. To give you an idea of just how hot EV adoption is in multifamily, I'll share that Nevada Energy had an incentive program where they were providing $5,000 rebate towards every port you installed, or $50,000 towards every community in charging 10 ports. Unfortunately, that's now all been applied for and fully depleted. So I guess you could say it doesn't pay to wait. But there is a small chance you could still apply and maybe get something. So if you're ready to make the next winning bet at your community, contact Pangea Charging at 281-846-4404 or email sales@pangeacharging.com. We look forward to helping you hit the jackpot in attracting the most EV driving residents.